Hello everyone, welcome back to Polished Perfection. We have something fun in store for you on credit. Drop the beat.
Alright, let's go. Yo, let me tell you about a story about credit, a game you play in life, you gotta get it. It's like building blocks, piece by piece, from the loans you take to the bills you lease. You gotta pay attention, keep your score high, don't let it drop, reach for the sky. With every payment made, you build your rep, open up doors, ain't no need to fret. Credit rap, it's the name of the game, gotta hustle hard to build your fame. Keep it clean, keep it tight, and watch your dreams take flight. Credit's like a handshake in the financial world. You want it firm, not flimsy, unfurled. It's the key to the car, the house, the loan, ain't nothing sweet if your score's overblown. So stay on top, don't let it slide, pay on time, don't let it hide. Check your report, keep it in check, ain't no room for errors, ain't no room for neglect. Credit rap, it's the name of the game, gotta hustle hard to build your fame. Keep it clean, keep it tight, and watch your dreams take flight. From TransUnion to Equifax, it's just facts. No need to fake it, just seal the deal. With every swipe, with every dime, we build our empire, one step at a time. So listen up, young blood, hear my rhyme, credit ain't a joke, it's a climb. But with patience and diligence, you'll see the power of credit, the power to be free. So keep your head up, keep your goals in sight, and remember this lesson, day and night. Credit rap, it's the anthem we sing, ain't nothing sweeter than financial bling. Credit rap, it's the name of the game, gotta hustle hard to build your fame. Keep it clean, keep it tight, and watch your dreams take flight. So here's to the dreamers, the hustlers, the wise, who know the game and reach for the skies. Credit rap, it's the beat of our life, so keep it steady, keep it tight.